All right, so let's add another dinosaur. Command O to open up. Brachiosaurus right here. Now, I could do what I've been doing before, kind of selecting things and it'll go around, but let's use another tool. And I'm going to click over here, and there's this object selection tool. The object selection tool kind of uses the computer to figure out what you want. So I'm just going to kind of click and drag over, and it's just going to do some thinking. That's why we got this little thing here. You can see that it's selected just about everything except for the dinosaur's leg here. So we can add to that. If I hold down Shift, you can see that there's a little plus sign there. And I'm just going to go around the dinosaur's leg. There we go. We've got that selected. Now there's a little bit here, and I'm going to zoom in. To zoom in, you hit Command plus, and to move things around, you can use the hand tool, but I never do that. I just hold down the space bar, go down here, and you can see that I'm missing a little bit. So plus to add things, Shift, that makes things bigger, adds things, right? If you want to subtract things, holding down the Option key or Alt on the PC will subtract. So I'm going to say that I want to subtract this area right here. Let's see if it's smart enough to figure it out. It is. All right, Command 0 to kind of get it in there. We've got everything selected. Command C, let's bring it over here to our field. Command V. Now the T-Rex was selected, so you can see that our Brachiosaurus, let's name it, we'll call it Brock. Brock here is in between Marge and T-Rex, and that's because the T-Rex was selected. I can move this around, so if I want Brock behind the T-Rex, I can just click and drag down, now behind. And that's the way things work with layers. The higher it up it is on what's called the layer stack, the more forward it's going to be. And let's put the T-Rex where it should be, right in front. All right, we've got some dinosaurs. It's getting scarier. We need to make it even more scary. So let's add another one.